This is Cerulean City Police Department with a be on a lookout for a suspect of an armed robbery. The suspect, a white male, medium height, and average build, is dressed in Team Rocket attire, which includes a black uniform with a red R symbol, gray gloves and boots, and a black cap. The suspect is in possession of a technical machine. If seen, contact the Cerulean City Police Department immediately. Do not approach suspect as he may be armed and dangerous. This concludes this message from the Cerulean City Police Department.